Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. It's still a bit dark out here right now. We're currently at the truck stop. We're here. We had to get some DEF fluid. We had to get a little bit of fuel, and we're waiting on a customer to meet us. A couple videos back, you guys saw us quote a couple new yards, so we're waiting on one of the customers from that yard to come meet us and pay us. Which after this, we're going to have to set up some kind of different method, leave the money or something at the house, or do some kind of internet pay or something, because this is not going to be ideal to keep meeting, but it's okay for this time. But yeah, we're sitting here, we're waiting. It's super early. It's going to be a little bit different today, guys. So this video, it'll still be like the same content, but it's just going to be slightly different as far as mostly for me, I guess, because Harley, he's only going to be with me for a couple of the yards today. He has another regular job that he works, and he's having to start it back today. So he's going to be doing that, and he'll be doing that for the first part of the day. While he's doing that, I'm going to try to take you guys around. We have 5 yards total today, but I'm going to try to go ahead and knock 3 of them out by myself. These are easy yards, as far as, it's nothing I haven't done before. I don't feel like I can't do it. These should be plenty fine for me to do by myself, and I'll take you guys along, and we'll do it together, and it'll be fun. It'll be great. And then we'll go, just depending on how long it takes us, what it's looking like around lunchtime, whether or not we might go do lunch with Harley, or if we'll just try to continue working and just work until he gets off. But we'll just see how it goes. We'll take it one step at a time. So thank you for clicking on this video and watching it. And I'm going to try to stop rambling so we can get to some cool, exciting parts of the video. But yeah, I just want to check in, let you know kind of what the deal is and what to expect from this video today. And so we're just going to get as much mowing footage and weed eating footage as I can, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. And I really look forward to taking you along with me. So alright, guys, come on, let's go mow. Okay, guys, we're here at the Wyckoff. Like always, we gotta get this truck out. Trying to get the 100% gas. That's only because you don't know me. If you know me, you will believe this, but I left my boots at the house, which, this is another thing too. If you know me, you'll know that I gotta focus on this jug. Can't get this thing screwed on there and talk at the same time, obviously. But I'm famous for being known to mow and weed eat barefoot or in sandals, so that's what we're doing today. I need to make mixed oil and stuff, or mixed gas, but we'll do that at the yard or whatever. We'll just go ahead and get out these pumps because I'm blocking 2 of them, and I'm only using 1 of them. So, okay, so we got our fuel, our gas. Let's go to the yard. Come on. All right, hello. Here we are. We're at the first yard. This is what we like to call, or what we call, the cabin yard. That is the cabin, and this is some of the yard, but not all of the yard. This yard is very unique because this property is so beautiful, and it's just I can't describe how beautiful it truly is. But the layout is so, like, you can't really see it right now because all these trees are blocking it. But, like, that yard is, wait, hold on. I don't even know how to do my hand, but it's straight up and down. And it's like layers of straight up and down. And then the back goes, you know, way up back in the back, straight up. Like, this is the only flat part. And then it goes down the road. There's like the creek that runs through here. And it goes on both sides of the creek. But it's like little skinny sections, like all the way, a good little piece down the road. Not that far, but, you know, quarter mile, I guess. But yeah, so this is probably not our biggest yard, but one of our biggest yards, you know, like as far as the amount of weed eating and mowing too. But it's okay. I gotta remember the gate code because I normally don't drive us, and then I don't open the gates. So, but I'm pretty sure I'll get it open and everything, and then I'll try to get you set up good and get you some good angles or whatever. I'm going to try to not just do a whole lot of just talking about stuff you might not be interested in. But yeah, let me get everything kind of set up or whatever so I don't take too long. It's still pretty early. It's only like 7:30 right now. So, but it's very wet, and so I have to be super careful. And it's gonna be humid. It's like, you can't tell from the video probably, but it's just wet. The air is wet. Like, I can just feel the wetness. Okay. All right, well, I'm gonna stop you guys for just a second, and yeah, when we come back. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to get you set up. Yeah. All right, come on. Let's go mow. I think I just threw that in Harley's boot. Oh no. Yep. I'm sorry. I couldn't have done that if I was trying. Always try to get all of it out and put it in there if you can, because it really needs all of it. Okay. I did it again! That's something. That's pretty funny. Okay. Shake this up, get it all mixed. Okay. Put this back up here. Okay, let me get the line. Yeah, there's a lot of, look at this big roll of line. Yeah, there's a lot of weed eating here, and it's like far away and, you know, kind of, you know, up steep hills and down. You know, there's a lot of effort into getting far down there, so you don't want to bump your line out and have to walk all the way back down here. It's just like, if you know, you know. Just one of those things that make you crazy. Okay. Let me cut this. This is an old timer knife. This is my Son's knife. He's not an old timer, but he kind of seems like one. All right. So what I do, like I cut a good little bit of length off, and then I just grab both ends together. You know, hold those, you know, keep those even, and then just like keep it straight, you know, together, and just start pulling it down till it gets to there. So you know it's even amount of length. My hands are wet now, slippery. I'm sliding down that. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm gonna just keep this with me, just in case. So if I need it, I'll have it. All right. Come on. Let's go. It ain't mowed, it's just, I just weed eated this. I had you set up and I filmed the whole thing, so I thought. Okay, yeah, I didn't, but I'm still gonna bring the mower down and do that little strip in the middle. I don't know if you can't hardly really tell on the camera that it's not mowed, but we did it all the way up through this bank. Okay, we're gonna go on up the hill to this next part. And just so you guys know, like when we get up there from the camera angle, it's gonna look like, let me just walk you over here so I can go ahead and turn this off over here. I've got this new tripod. But it looks like you could mow this up here with a lawnmower, but you can't. You cannot get up there with the lawnmower. So the part up at the top could be mowed with a mower, but you can't get a mower up there. Let me see if I filmed it on this one. Okay, yeah, I got it in a time lapse on this one. I was doing real time on this one, but sorry guys, I messed up. Okay, let's go up the hill. Okay, real quick guys, while I'm taking just a break to reset up the cameras and everything, I was up here and I figured I'd maybe take just a second to show you a clip of this yard from a different perspective, so you can kind of see, you know, like, because over here on the GoPro clip, it's going to look, you know, like you could definitely mow this yard. And if bringing a mower, you know, if a mower could get up here, you definitely could. But this yard is just so many banks. It's just like banks on banks on banks, you know, like, you know, like racks on racks on racks, but banks on banks on banks. But yeah, okay. And we do not weed eat every single square foot of this whole yard, you know, because on these banks and stuff, like we do the main parts, like the most important parts, what can be seen easily from the house, like areas that the family might be walking around in, the children might be playing in. But honestly, it's unrealistic for this property to think, you know, that a person could just do every single bit of it, you know, on like the real steep places where people are not going to be walking, you know, a lot of that, you know, once, you know, maybe once a year, if it starts getting too tall, we do knock down everything. But as far as like every single time, we do the main parts on the house, this big huge piece here. And like, I don't know what you'll be able to tell from the video, but it is an enormous amount of weed eating. And you know, that's coming from somebody who does a lot of weed eating. So, you know, I'm very thankful for this yard, but I just don't want people to come for me if they're like, you missed a spot. Because I know, like, this I'm doing, you know, this is a lot. Okay, so let me turn you around and just kind of show you. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let me back this up. I don't know. It's how much you can tell. Okay, there's the road down there. And it is kind of a little bit hard to tell, but... And see this over here? See, like, this is a big flat piece of this yard. And this is a good piece of yard. And, you know, we weed eat this entire area. So... That's why I'm saying, you know, I don't want you to think, oh, well, you didn't do, like, all that, you know, and, like, all these little crevices and rocks, because I mean, this is a gorgeous property, but there's so many rocks, and a lot of the stuff needs to be sprayed. But, yeah, I just was going to explain that really quick. But, okay, so I'm going to try to set you up, and let's do some more weeding. Come on. Hello guys, real quick, I guess I'm just gonna call it right now on the weed eating footage, and I'm gonna save some battery so you can have some mowing footage, because I've already recorded a lot of weed eating, so I don't want to just fill the whole video up with all of that. So I want you to have some mowing footage too, so that's gonna be like the more interesting part. You pretty much get the gist of this. It's just gonna be a bunch more of that back and forth. So lucky for you, you get to go straight to the mowing. I have to keep weed eating, but all right, you get to go mow. seen me mow the second yard and I didn't even check in. Like, I'm gonna have to get in the groove of remembering to check in, you know, and tell you where we are and everything, because I'm not used to this. But yeah, you just saw me mow the second yard. I drove the lawnmower over here because it was very close, just right down the road. I didn't really feel the need to bring the whole truck and trailer down here to this little tiny yard. So I'm just gonna get on my mower now. I'm gonna ride back to the truck, gonna get everything loaded up, and I'm gonna try to go finish the third yard, and then we're gonna go try to get Harley, and we're gonna do the last two together with him. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and let's go to the third yard. Okay, hey guys, really quick. I just got to the third yard. It's a little piece, you know, down the road. It's like in a little other town, but not too far away. Okay, but I kind of got to hurry because I only have an hour and a half before I'm supposed to pick Harley up. So I'm going to try to set you guys up. I'm going to try to do the GoPro on my chest, and I'm going to try to set my phone up somewhere to get some good footage, but I got to try to hurry. So come on, we can't be just hanging around talking. We got to go mow. Come on. Hey guys, okay, whew. Okay, we're done mowing, we're done weed eating. I'm gonna take the leaf blower around. I'm gonna finish this third yard. I didn't look at the time, and I'm not sure what time it is now, so I feel like it's been not that long, so we're making good time, I think. So let's get the leaf blower, let's blow this stuff off, let's get out of here, let's go get Harley. guess what? Guess who's with us? Harley's back. It's great. It's been a long day. Yeah. Guess who's back? Back again. Yeah, it's great. I've definitely been needing this help. Oh, I want to show you guys this really quick. I did this at the first yard, but I didn't tell you because I was kind of a little embarrassed. And you wouldn't even believe. You remember how I had the line in my side? Look at what I did. It sucked itself into here. It didn't, cut the motor off. I realized what I did and I cut it off. So I think we're just going to disassemble it and take it apart. But should be able to get it out. But we're going to have to finish these 2 yards with just one weed eater, which is okay because we've done that before. So it's gonna be okay. Got my GoPro on. He's getting his GoPro set up. He's gonna use the tripod. I do want to talk about the tripod later because we kind of got to hurry right now. It doesn't look that bad. It actually looks kind of beautiful. But yeah, they're saying that supposedly there's like a tornado watch, so we're trying to hurry. So we're gonna get everything set up and we'll hopefully get some really good footage. All right, come on, let's go mow. Okay guys, hey, I don't know. Look at it now. I don't know. We might only be doing 4 yards today. We don't know. It's kind of, it's getting a little windy. So if it starts pouring down rain or you have storming real bad, you probably will see us just go on to the house after this. Turn this way, maybe I don't blow that bad. But yeah, we just finished up this fourth yard right here. Yeah. So there's a nice, this breeze is really nice. So that's always great. And Harley's emptying the cooler out because these customers, super sweet. Oh my, we love them. They always leave us a cooler with drinks in it. Look at what they left us. Yoo-hoos, Cokes, waters. Couldn't beat them. They're so nice. Every single time. Every time they leave us a cooler. Okay. Alright, well, we're going to try to get everything set up. We're going to take their cooler back up there. And then we're going to ride on out of here. And we'll see. We'll see what this weather keeps on looking like. So, I guess if we go to the 5th yard, you'll see us at the 5th yard. But if it starts storming and we go to the house, I guess you'll see us at the house. So. Oh, I wonder if he's going to show them.
Here's these two.
Ooh. Yeah, look, they match us kind of. And they gave us apples too from their apple trees. These back here, there's a couple dogwoods and stuff in the front. I don't know if you can see them all, but back through there, oh, apple trees. There's so many of them. So many, hundreds of apples back there. See? Yeah, let me some fried apples. Those. Some cinnamon and sugar and stuff. Okay, alright. Let's get out of here. Hey guys, okay, as you can tell, we are back home. We did not go to the 5th yard. Pretty much as soon as we wrapped up on the last clip, we got just a little piece down the road and it started really storming. Started pouring down rain and lightning and everything. So we had to just call it. We'll, yeah, you could probably hear that right there. But yeah, we'll try to film this that yard that we missed today tomorrow. We'll do a little video on it tomorrow for you. But yeah, real quick guys, I just want to give a special shout out and say thank you to all of our friends and family that have commented on our videos and have liked our videos and have subscribed to our channel and have shared our content. Guys, you know who you are. The ones that know us, we love y'all. We love y'all so very much. And the new people that don't know us, some of our subscribers, if you don't know us, we're thankful for y'all, and we would love for y'all to get to know us too. So we're thankful that you guys are coming along, that you're watching our videos. Please keep liking them, keep sharing them. And we've really been enjoying making this content for you guys. So if you want us to keep doing it, if you like what we're doing, stick with us. All right, so I guess until next time, see ya.